I have been posting on social media a lot about AI employees because I really think that is the future. And these are not only reactive employees, but are proactive employees that are doing stuff without you needing to tell them something. So in many cases, like for ourselves at the agency, we live in Slack, like everything happens in Slack. So we want our AI employees in Slack and being able to send them requests or ask them for something, and they will even participate in channels and be proactive through Slack. But there are some other clients that don't use Slack, right? They might use a different tool, or they might not even have something like a centralized communications hub, right? So we have been thinking about what's the best approach to do or to allow them to work with these AI employees. So one of our clients asked for something like this, like a virtual office. So they have like an office space, their team works together physically, right? So they wanted to have like this interface where you can go and chat and discuss something with one of your AI employees. So this is like the proof of concept that we're starting to build. So it'll look like a full office and it'll have like different rooms. This is like version 1. And you can see here your AI employees and if they are active or inactive. If they're active, they're doing something at that moment. And if they're not, you'll see this thingy on red or whatever, right? So I can click on any of these employees and then I will be able to chat with that AI employee and see the generated files because this is being proactive. So if the project manager is analyzing the P&L for a specific project, that agent will do that every week, every day, every hour, every minute. But you want to see the generated files because they will generate like a PDF or a document or stuff like that. But at the same time, you also want an interface because you might go to their office and want to speak about something, want to ask them something. So just like in a normal office environment, each person is doing their own things and generating these files. And obviously all of these generations are linked to the rest of their systems, right? To their CRM, to their inventory management tool, HR management tool, etc. And then this gets ingested by other AI employees, right? So you might have, for example, in this case, we have, for example, a developer and a project manager, right? And in this case, for example, the project manager oversees the developer, the designer, the data analyst, and the support agent, and the executive manages them all. Basically, the executive manages the project manager because we might have multiple project managers. So in this case, you have 4 AI employees working for the project manager. So the project manager will set goals, generate a list of files or instructions, whatever, and then each employee will do their own thing, report it back to this AI employee, and then this AI employee will report back to the executive, and then the executive just speaks with you, right? But you still want to see what each AI employee is doing. So this is like a cool thing because you have like it's not only like a human in the loop because you will have, for now, maybe more people than AI employees, but that will change very soon. But you don't want to manage all of your AI employees yourself. So you want to have management levels. And in this case, I want to speak with the executive because I'll give the executive my goals for whatever that we're building or working on. And then the executive will have unique program managers or project managers or account managers, whatever, and then they can assign specific tasks. So we're training each of these AI employees based on a very unique data set, which is your business data. So there's no hallucinations, no wrong outputs. It's a lot of fine tuning in order for each AI employee to do what they have to do. Right now, I see a lot of SaaS software tools and even agencies building and deploying like these AI employees. They're basically just turning on this open clause and giving them free reins on your business. And that's like a terrible approach because it's like hiring someone who has no context about your business and giving them authority to decide and take actions. So we take a different approach. We understand your business, map everything, prepare your business to be AI ready, then train each of your employees, your managers, your executives, and then turn the system on. And then the difference is night and day between what the level and the quality of output that you get from an implementation like this compared to a more generic SaaS approach. So yeah, just wanted to share what we've been building. If you're interested, reach out.